Crossrail is Europe's biggest infrastructure project on a scale not seen since the Jubilee Line extension or the Channel Tunnel rail link. It will transform rail journeys, providing much needed additional capacity, as well as reducing congestion on London's transport network. When it opens in 2018, Crossrail will connect 28 existing network rail stations to the West End, the City and Canary Wharf, through 21 kilometres of new twin-bore tunnels under central London. The new tunnels will connect 7 brand new state-of-the-art underground stations at Paddington, Bond Street, Tottenham Court Road, Farringdon, Liverpool Street, Whitechapel and Canary Wharf. They'll bring existing London Underground and rail networks just a few steps away. As well as direct links to London Underground and the Docklands Light Railway, Crossrail will connect with Thameslink at Farringdon, Eurostar and High Speed 1 at Stratford, London Overground at Whitechapel and Stratford, National Rail at 11 stations. Crossrail will also serve Heathrow directly, link to Stansted Airport via Liverpool Street, link to Gatwick and Luton airports via Thameslink at Farringdon. Each tunnel will be 6.2 metres in diameter, significantly larger than any tube tunnel. The tunnels will weave their way between existing London Underground lines, sewers, tunnels and building foundations as they snake from station to station at depths of up to 40 metres. Tunnel portals, which are the entrances to the underground sections, will be built at Royal Oak, Pudding Mill Lane, Victoria Dock, North Woolwich and Plumstead. Construction of the tunnels will be undertaken in 10 separate tunnel drives to deliver the east and westbound running tunnels. Drive X, Royal Oak to Farringdon. Drive Y, Limo to Farringdon. Drive Z, Pudding Mill Lane to Stepney Green. Drive G, Limo to Victoria Dock. Drive H, Plumstead to North Woolwich. Digging the new tunnels is a 24-hour-a-day job, 7 days a week. 8 huge tunnel boring machines, or TBMs, will do the work. Each of them is equivalent to 4 London taxis stacked on top of each other, longer than a football field, and the weight of 3 fully laden jumbo jets. The TBM is effectively a large metal cylinder with a rotating cutting head at the front and a conveyor belt at the back to remove the earth. Each TBM will travel between 80 and 150 metres a week and will follow a planned tunnel alignment accurate to within a millimetre. As the TBM moves forward, it will put in concrete rings to support the tunnel. These will be made of 7 precast segments per ring. Each ring is connected to the next to form a continuous tunnel. The TBM makes use of the concrete rings to push forward using hydraulic rams which are at the back of the cutter. Once the machine has moved sufficient distance, the next concrete ring is installed. Crossrail's tunnel lining is designed to last 120 years. Where the tunnels need to vary in size for stations, shafts and other underground structures, they'll be constructed using a sprayed concrete lining technique. Some stations, like Canary Wharf, are dug down from the surface, creating a vast concrete-lined box into which the escalators and platforms are placed. Crossrail's first pair of TBMs start on their journey from Royal Oak and head towards the western side of Farringdon Station. These are followed by the launch of more TBMs in Docklands, heading under central London to the eastern side of Farringdon. Drive H, the tunnel drive running underneath the Thames from Plumstead to North Woolwich, is launched next, followed by Drive Z and Drive G. All the tunnels will be completed by the end of 2014, a significant milestone in the programme to build the largest addition to the South East Rail network in 50 years.